Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have a very special Cybertruck that I want to share with you. The owner of this truck is an Ohio State alumni. And for those of you that know, Ohio State has an amazing football program, the Buckeyes. And this particular owner of this truck is a huge fan. And he wanted us to go ahead and transform his Cybertruck into a CyberBuck. Check this out. We started off with wrapping the complete exterior using T-Max satin black PPF film. The reason we went with this color is that is very similar to the very special, very rarely worn satin black helmets that the Buckeyes do on big games. And then let's talk about the hood stripes. Well, same as the helmet stripes. You've got the traditional scarlet, red, and gray stripes, as you can see right here. So this is starting to look a lot like the helmet, right? Now, when you play for the Buckeyes and you score a touchdown, do an exceptional play, you are rewarded with the very famous round stickers that go on your helmet, the Buckeye leaves. Take a look at this. How cool is this? This is truly a transformation inspired by the very special black helmets of the Buckeyes. And then as you come around to the back of the truck, check this out. We took the Cybertruck font, but recreated it to say CyberBuck on the tailgate. I cannot wait for this customer to take delivery of this truck today. He is going to be sharing it with all of his friends and alumni from Ohio State. And you know what? I have a feeling that this truck is really gonna catch a lot of momentum and go pretty viral because it is so cool. To finish it all off, he wanted to change the wheels, and that's exactly what we did, removing the factory 20-inch wheels with the aero covers, and he went with our very cool TCT wheels. These are flow forged. They also have aero covers, so you can enjoy it two different ways. So my friends, what do you think? How cool is this truck? Please leave some comments below, and I hope this inspires other sports fans to go ahead and take their favorite team and incorporate it into their Cybertruck. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.